Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update for May 13, 2020. As you can see that today on the left side you see the SPY, the daily chart, and today the market is able to break the 200-day moving average. So the bear is in control right now. So probably this is the first sign of the head and shoulder pattern that you can see here. So how far they will coming down. So right now, based on the estimate, we can see that from here they can probably get into this area here, so that you can see how far they will go. But right now, at this moment, if the market is able to take this low right here, and then you watch out because they will come down, we will test this one here, and definitely we can get it down to below here, which is the multiple support before. So on the left side, on the right side, you can see the similar pattern on the E-mini SP 500. So right now they come down, so they break a support line here. So probably tomorrow or overnight they try to retest a little bit, and then after that they will roll over to the bottom. So the next couple of days, we have to brace for ourselves. The market is probably more in the downside. So if they break that level, and then you better watch out. If they break that level, we continue to get strong move to the downside. Okay, so that's for the market direction on the bigger time frame. If you look at smaller time frame, so yesterday we define where the market rebound, where they're heading to, and today in our live trading room, we draw the buy zone where the market we're heading to. So they go in here and boom, they rebound. So overnight, we want to see that the market is over, be able to hold up, push it back up a little bit, okay, before they resume a downtrend to a downside. So we take it step by step, day by day. That's why we are here, so that we can tell you where the market heading to, so that we know what we're supposed to do. So when the market is going down, most of the stock that will follow the index, and then they also correct also. So you have to be careful on the long side in the short term, because the market still have a lot of uncertainty out there. So let them go down first, and then we see where they're going to stop, and then we will buy back again. Okay, so that's what I have for you today. This is what we are doing every day in our live trading room. Besides teaching how to do swing trade and day trade, we also mentor and guide people every day in our live trading room. This is the main purpose of the Stock Navigator. So if you would like to learn more, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. And if you like what I'm doing here for you, give me a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube. So every time I have a new video, I will update for you so that you see where the market heading to, so that you can be a repair, so that you know when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. We will see you in the next video.